Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm filming such an exciting video for you guys. I'm going to be installing my own tape-ins at home. I'm going to show you guys how to do it, everything you need, and also I'm going to show you guys the hair that I ordered. So this is the brand that I'm going to be using. I actually have a different tape-in extension video on my channel with full shine hair extensions. They're on Amazon, and if you order them you can get them in 2 days. So I have a video when I was blonde with these extensions, so I'll link that down below and I'll put it on the card here. But these are really good quality. They're human hair, so you can curl them, you can straighten them. I got dark brown 20-inch, so if that helps you know what length you want, you can compare it to mine. Right now my hair goes about to here, and I'll put an after right here so you can see the difference. And my hair is it's kind of thin, but it's also just really fine. It's super fine, I guess. So I love extensions. So the company did send me these, but I'm gonna still give my honest review and everything. So they come in this little box. So I have 150 grams of hair total. I'll let you guys know if I end up needing all of that. I don't know if I'm gonna need all 150 grams or not. So you can kind of base how much hair you want to order off of how much I put in. So I'm going to start with the 100-gram box, and then I'll take the 50-gram box and use that. And if you open it, it comes in a little bag. It's super cute. So yeah, this is 100 grams. So here's the hair. I'll show you guys that in just a second. Okay, so it comes with extra tape for if you want to reinstall them, which is really nice. A lot of extensions don't come with that. It comes with a little pamphlet. Oh, it's like how you can contact them if you have any issues. And then I think this is instructions on how to, they give you instructions on how to install them. So if you want to follow that, you can. See, so it comes in like a little net. Just take the net off. It is such good quality. I've used their extensions before and I love them. So this is what it looks like. It matches like literally perfect. This is 50 grams, and here's all the different sandwiches. So I have 2 of these to work with to start, and then I'll open the second package if I need it. And you're also going to need, aside from the hair, you're going to need a regular brush, some sort of brush with like a sharp pick at the end. You don't need it for this, you just need it for the pick. And then just some clips and bobby pins to clip your hair up when you're doing it. And then you're also going to want to make sure you have clean hair. I just shampoo it. I don't put any conditioner because I want them to be able to stick as well as possible when I first start. You do want to straighten your hair because the extensions are straight, so you're going to want your hair straight so you can see the blend, and just so they're easier to put in and you don't have a bunch of frizz. So I'm going to straighten my hair and then I'm going to be right back. Okay, so I straightened my hair and I don't have any product in it or anything. You just want to keep it bare while you do this, so I didn't use any heat protectant to straighten it. But I'm going to section off. I'm going to do these 2 sides first. I'll do this side first so you guys can see it better. I'm going to section my hair. I usually will section it here, and then I'll tie the back into a bun or a clip, so I can just work on these 2 sides first. And for the back, you might need someone to help. I'm probably gonna have my dad help me. It's hard to tell if your hair the tape is straight in the back or if there's any flyaways, so I'm probably gonna have my dad help. But I'm gonna go ahead and section the back off into a claw clip, and then I'll show you guys how I section the sides to start. Okay, I have my hair clipped in the back, so I'm just gonna start with the sides. You're going to want a really clean part for this. You're going to want to make sure it's really straight line before you go. There we go. Okay, so I'm just going to take this and clip it up. And I'll take a couple bobby pins and take these flyaways and pin them down because you don't want them stuck in the sandwich. So I'll just go like this. And I'm about 2 fingers up from my ear right now with this part. If you go too close to your ear, it's gonna really bother you. So yeah, probably just gonna do 1 here. One here, and then I'll just keep moving up. So 1 one tape in here is two extensions squished together. So I'm gonna take two. I'm gonna go ahead and remove the tape, and I'm gonna show you guys how I do this. So I'm just gonna be putting in one in this section. So I have a mirror in front of me, and then I have one on the side of me so I can see the back when I do the back. But for this, you're just gonna want to put it, you're gonna want to get as close to the scalp as possible, except you're gonna want to leave probably like a centimeter or two, because if you don't, it's gonna be like pulling on your scalp really hard, and you can get some bumps for the first couple days. So you want it to be close enough where it's not gonna just grow out really fast, but you don't want it to be too close where it's like not flat against the head. It's more like this because it's so tight. So I'm just gonna go ahead, I'll show you guys how far done I do it. And I'm just gonna sandwich this on, and then I'm gonna show you guys how to connect the other side. There we go. Just gonna press that down. Press it down really firm, get all the hair. Once you have it on, you're gonna wanna take the extension. Make sure you press it down as hard as you could. You're gonna flip it up, and then all these little baby hairs, you're gonna pull down. You don't need all that excess hair in the weft. Only the part that's touching is enough. So now you're gonna take another weft. Remove the tape. Try not to touch the tape. You don't want it to lose its adhesive. I'm gonna take that off, and you're going to want to line the tape in up with the other tape in. I just try to match the initial front piece like that with the whole tape in like this. Push it together, make sure it's snug, and then take these bobby pins out and put that piece down. And then take these bobby pins out and put that piece down. So like this. Perfect. It's okay if it's not like exactly perfectly lined up. That is good enough. And your first one is done. So now that's the only one I'm going to do right here on the side. I'm going to keep moving up, but I'm going to focus mostly on the back when I do it. So I'm going to go ahead and section another piece up about like maybe half an inch up or a little more than half an inch up. And I'm going to redo this process. So I'll show you guys again. Take your hair down, the part that you parted, just like this. See how much? That's just one weft. Like, are you kidding me? Look at the difference. One weft. That's literally one sandwich. Like, are you freaking joking right now? I'm gonna do my next section. I don't want it to be too close, so I'm gonna do it right here. So this is probably right in line with my eyebrow, if that helps you guys know where to section it. And you can section it wherever you want. To get a really clean line like that. And then I'm going to clip this up, just like that. I'm going to do two wefts here, and then this side would be probably done. Since I have really like a lot thinner, finer hair, it doesn't really take that much for me to have to put in. I do focus mostly on the back though, because my sides are a lot thinner, so I can't really do too many stacks, but on the back you have a lot more space to be able to do it. And this is a fairly small section of hair, so that's why I'm only going to do 3. And you don't want to get too close to your root with them, or you're going to start seeing them when it's all the way down. So this is probably the furthest I would go up, is like an inch above your eyebrow. That's the most I would do. So I'm going to take the tape off. Perfect. And then I'm going to put the first one on. You also don't want to put it right there. You're going to want to leave like half an inch at least, or else it's going to show. So I'm going to probably start it to right there. That's perfect. So see how much space I left? It's probably like an inch. press that down. So now I'm gonna flip these up and remove the baby hairs. Those are done, and this part's totally optional. I'm just gonna lightly tap my straightener on top of the wefts, just like that, just to help them, you know, like stick better. Do it on this bottom one too. Help the glue stick. Okay, so let's take this down. I think that's all I'm gonna do on this side. Let me see. Let's see. That's literally perfect. Like, look, you can't even tell. Like, tell me that you couldn't not tell that I have extensions in. Look at the difference. Like, are you joking right now? Wait, where's all my hair? That's the difference, guys. And that's just the sides right now. We still gotta do the back. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do this exact same thing that I did on this side, and then I'll be back and we'll do the back. The front is done. This is what it looks like. I still have the hair in the back clipped. I'm not gonna do any more extensions than this because once the back is done and I pulled all the front, you'll see it's a lot fuller. So this is all I really want done for these sides. But the back will have the most sandwiches. So I wanted to show you guys what it looks like. So I'm gonna take the back down and show you guys how I do the back. I'm gonna do a voiceover because I'm gonna need a little help probably on the back. It's the same exact process.
So you're just going to go ahead and part your hair. You can just kind of have it all down if you want. And then clip it up. Since the sides are so much further than your ear, it won't interfere with doing the back. And I usually do it like right in the middle of my ear as the first part. And then you're still going to just kind of do the same thing. You're going to probably want to have a mirror behind you, but you're just going to press them down. In this first row, I did 3. It's just sped up. But I did 3 in a row for this first section. And then I did the same thing where I just pull the hair up, take out all the little baby pieces. And then I just sandwiched them on. And I did 4 layers in the back, I think. So this first layer was 3 in a row. And I needed help. I could not see the bottom back. So my dad helped me put these on just to line it up. If you have like a really good mirror, you should be able to do it yourself, but I just wanted to make sure that I installed them really well, so he went ahead and helped me with this row. So I basically just continued this in 3 more layers on my head, and I probably parted it about an inch up. So you'll literally just repeat this process of putting the first piece on and then like flipping it up like I'm doing right here, and then putting the bottom piece on. And I just kind of did this up my whole head until I reached like probably an inch or 2 from the top of my head, because if you do it too close to your part, you might be able to see the tape. So I just did a couple more layers and it's just the exact same thing I did the whole time. So you guys can watch it, but it's just, I don't want to be too repetitive. So it's in fast motion, and then I'll show you what it looks like done.
I just finished, and here is all the hair to the front. So I probably used a little over 100 grams, I would say. Also my hair is pretty thin, so it blends easily. If you have thicker hair, you're gonna need more extensions because you're gonna see the difference, but see, you can't tell with me. I'm gonna put all of it back and show you, and then I'm just gonna like do a simple hairstyle. I'm literally just gonna straighten it. So this is the 20-inch hair. You can go get it like cut if you want, like layers or something. I usually just leave it like this. So see how the ends are like flipping out, so I'm gonna straighten that really quick, so I'll show you guys me straightening. I'm just going to straighten over this, get it nice and straight, and then I'll show you guys how I normally would style this. Okay, so this is what it looks like straightened. So good, I know. I'll put a before right here so you can see the difference. I do have hair left over, but I think this is plenty thick enough for me. So here's what the back looks like. I can do another video like taking them out if you guys want, and how I remove them at home. You can also get these installed in a salon and just buy them from Amazon. I'll link obviously the hair I used below, and then you could just go get them done at the salon. So you could do that if you don't feel comfortable doing your take-ins at home. But yeah, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching, and subscribe to see more.